and a plane flying over. But I picked up this old country Brazos off Facebook Marketplace for a lot less than what you can get it new in the store. It's got a little bit of surface rust. It's got a little bit of pitting here and there. But I think with a wire brush, some seasoning, and some love, get it looking good as new. Right here, I'm just taking some acetone and wiping everything down. Make sure I clean up all the dust from the wire brush before I move it into place. Put the fire in there and start seasoning. Now you can see there's some spots where the paint has come off, where that rust was. I will probably end up throwing some high temp paint on those spots, but now it's time to get some coals started, get a little fire going, and season it up. To season the smoker, just use canola oil. You can wipe it down with Crisco, anything like that. You want to make sure that the grill is hot before you spray this on. A cold grill is going to make it sticky. A hot grill is going to get it seasoned in. I don't think I had mine quite hot enough, but it was pretty hot. And I was just making sure I wipe it all over and just get it hot and let it season. Well, there she is. There's some spots on there that I need to hit with some high temp paint, like the damper on top of the stack. It's not gonna get hot enough to season in. And there's some spots on the door that have some pitting that I'll probably hit with some paint as well, just to protect them a little bit more, but I'm gonna let it get hot, let it get seasoned in. And then next time I get it hot, I'll do a biscuit test, and then it's time for some meats. What do y'all think I should put on there? I'm thinking ribs, but I don't know. And here it is completed. I did not film when I drilled the hole out for that TrueTel thermometer. There was already a smaller hole there. I drilled it out a little bit more. You can see on the top where the paint has gone from where the rust was, and on top of that stack there from where it had pooled water. But all in all, I think it looks pretty good.